is it? First, I need a coffee. Then, I fly to Rome. Good morning, little one. Are you ready? Okay, first shirts, then jeans, finally a jacket. Passport is here, tickets are here. Yep. All ready for our trip. Yep.
Good morning. Can I see your passport and your ticket, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Do you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
I prefer a window seat, please. I love the view.
Here is your boarding pass. Have a safe flight.
Thank you very much. Italy. Rome. I made it. Hello, are you free?
Yes. Good afternoon.
To the Grand Hotel, please. It is in the city center. Wow, this hotel is so big.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand Hotel. How can I help you?
Hello, I have a reservation for today. My name is Anna Smith.
Wonderful, Miss Smith. Let me just pull that up for you. One moment, please. Yes, Anna Smith, a single room for 4 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Thank you. Your room is a standard double room with breakfast included.
Perfect.
May I see your passport, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Now, how would you like to pay? We accept cash or credit cards.
I'll pay by credit card, please.
Perfect. Please put your credit card on the terminal and enter your PIN. Thank you. Your payment is successful. Here is your key card. You are in room 302. The elevator is on the left. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. in the restaurant on the first floor.
Thank you very much.
Good evening, reception. How can I help you?
Hello. My name is Anna Smith. I'm in room 302.
Hello, Miss Smith. How can I help you?
I have a question. Can I order coffee to my room?
Yes, of course. We have room service.
That's great. Can I order 1 cup of coffee, please?
Certainly. 1 coffee. Would you like milk or sugar?
Yes, please. Milk, but no sugar.
No problem. We will bring it to your room in about 10 minutes.
Thank you very much.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes, actually, I have some clothes that are dirty.
You would like to use our laundry or dry cleaning service?
Yes, dry cleaning, please.
Of course. How many items do you have?
I have 2 items.
What items do you have?
1 dress and 1 t-shirt.
I see. We can clean them for you.
How can I give them to you?
Please put the clothes in the laundry bag in your room. Our staff can pick them up.
When will they be ready?
They will be ready tomorrow afternoon.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Miss Smith. We will bring your coffee soon.
Oh, I am so tired. It was a long, hard day. Now time to sleep.
Good morning, Italy. What an amazing view. It's amazing. I am having breakfast right now. I have a croissant and a tea and fresh orange juice. Yes, Mom, don't worry. I eat a lot of pasta. And yesterday I had pizza. It was very big and had mozzarella cheese. I am very full. No, Mom, the weather is perfect. It is sunny and warm today. I am very happy. No, first I want to go to the Colosseum. I want to see it. Then I want to take some photos. Yes, Mom. Thank you. Bye-bye. Everything is so beautiful. This is better than I thought. I'm hungry. I would like to have some pasta.
Good afternoon. Are you ready to order?
Not yet. What is in the ensalada mista?
It has lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and olive oil.
And what about the tomato soup? Does it have any meat? I think 10 euros is a little bit expensive for it.
It's a vegetarian soup, miss. Fresh tomatoes and herbs. Our best dish is the pasta carbonara. It has eggs, cheese, and pork.
Perfect. I'll have the pasta carbonara, please. This pasta looks absolutely perfect. I could eat this all day.
Excuse me, are you taking photos of your pasta?
Yes, I am. It looks so good.
It really does. Is it carbonara?
Yes, spaghetti carbonara.
Nice choice. I'm Italian, so I always notice good pasta.
Oh, really? That's interesting.
May I ask you something?
Sure.
Can I sit here for a moment?
Okay, you can.
Thank you. By the way, my name is Marco.
Nice to meet you. I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you too, Anna. Are you a photographer?
Not really. I just like taking photos when I travel.
Yes, but I also noticed something else.
Oh? What?
How beautiful you look when you're happy.
Oh, Marco.
And your eyes, they are very green.
That's very kind of you.
I hope it's okay that I say this.
Yes, it's okay.
When I saw you sitting here with your camera, your red curly hair, and your big green eyes, wow.
Really?
Yes, you look like a movie character.
That's a big compliment.
If you want, I can show you a few good Italian places.
That sounds nice. I have to say, this place is magical.
It really is, especially with the company.
Well, cheers to that.
Cheers. Ready for the ride of your life?
Born ready. Let's go. Wow, this is incredible.
Just wait. The best is yet to come.
I love this.
The weather is beautiful today, isn't it?
It's perfect. I love how the sunlight filters through the buildings.
So, Anna, tell me about yourself.
Well, where should I start? I am an English teacher. I work at a small school.
I am actually a student. I study architecture. I like photography. I take many pictures of the city.
That's wonderful. I'd love to see them. I like traveling. That's why I'm here in Italy.
I can show you the best places for photos tomorrow.
Really? I'd love that.
Is 1 p.m. okay for you? We can meet here. Then go have some lunch.
Sounds perfect.
I need to get something first. Something beautiful for Anna. A bouquet of flowers.
Here you are, a beautiful bouquet.
Thank you, it's perfect. Here's the payment.
Thank you. Enjoy your day.
You too. You too. Have a great one. Thanks. You as well. Hello, Anna.
Hi, Marco. How are you?
I am very well, thank you. You look beautiful today, Anna. For you. I know you love sunflowers.
Oh, Marco, they are perfect. Sunflowers are my favorite.
The colors match your dress. It is a perfect day for a walk.
It is wonderful. I love the view from this bridge. Look at the water and the dome. It is like a dream.
Are you hungry, Anna? I know a very good small gelato shop near here. We can get ice cream and walk more.
That is a great idea. Gelato is delicious. I would love to go with you.
Excellent. Let's go. This way.
Marco, look! So many colors. I see lemon. It looks so fresh.
Yes, it does. But look at this one. I am not sure. I think I want chocolate or maybe pistachio. I love pistachio.
Is that stracciatella with the small chocolate pieces? Oh, yes. I want that one. Stracciatella, please.
Okay, 1 stracciatella and 1 pistachio, please. In cups. Is your gelato good, Anna?
Yes, it is delicious. Rome is so beautiful today. The sun is warm and the sky is blue.
I agree. Look at the river. The water is sparkling in the sun.
It is a great day. Thank you for the flowers and the ice cream, Marco. You are very kind.
You are welcome, Anna. I am very happy to be here with you. Can we meet again tomorrow?
It's beautiful.
It is.
I don't want this day to finish, Marco. Today was perfect.
Me too, Anna. But the sunset means the end of the day. And the beginning of tomorrow.
I suppose.
Tomorrow is a new day, Anna. And I am here. We can do it again.
Marco, there's something that you don't know about me. If we meet again, I'll tell you everything. I hope you'll understand me.